cut the cables off. Let's done it again. Yeah, I took a few of these apart in my time. Yeah, that's silly crap. Yeah. But yeah, I took a few of these apart in my time. Yeah. So yeah. There's another battery. Didn't take me long. But yeah, I took a few of these in the past. There might be a playlist called Batteries. All goods collected. So I got a Google friend helping me out. I said, well, that won't work then, because there's bunch of water in it. But yeah, the clank throttle was at the end of these. A friend wanted them, by the time I cut them, I'm off for a friend of mine. I wish I could get them back now, but I ain't got them back. And he ended up finding some. So I thought, oh well. That's another thing too. But yeah, I had all sorts of batteries. These sort of batteries, like square ones like that. But that's the first time I've seen one of them.